Welcome to Rob Talks. Thank you for supporting our channel. Here's the translation from the Mayan calendar for November 29, 2025. Now let's explore what all three Mayan calendars have to say. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 12 Tun, 19 Winal, and the Tzolk'in. The long count today marks a point of transition, the soft beginning of a new phase. The release from yesterday's 2 Kimi opens the way for healing, balance, and restoration. As we enter a new Winal, the Tzolk'in reflects a fresh threshold, transformation becoming renewal. This is a day of resetting your emotional field, re-establishing inner harmony, returning to yourself gently, and beginning a new cycle with softness and without force. You're being asked to move slowly and intentionally today, and to create calm through simplicity. This is a day to allow your nervous system to downshift, and to focus on your inner balance rather than productivity. Before I move on to the Tzolk'in calendar, I'm also translating the entire Tzolk'in 13-day cycle in its own video. If you're interested, I'll link it at the end of this one. 2 days ago, we began a new 13-day Tzolk'in cycle, and the date is now 3 Manik. Manik is the day sign of the deer. It's the symbol of the healing hands, stability, grace under pressure, sacred offerings, and movement with purpose and gentleness. The number 3 represents activation, movement, and the first steps on a new path. It carries the energy of initial momentum, creative movement, and building the early shape of a journey. Together, 3 Manik is a day of gentle progress, healing action, and restoring balance through small but meaningful steps. It brings the message that you are in the first movement following a significant release. Today invites you to act, but with grace, intention, and gentleness. This is not a day for force, rather it's a day for sacred movement, healing gestures, and quiet recalibration. Your energy moves today, but it does so softly. You're being asked to offer forgiveness or compassion, and tend to your physical and emotional well-being. Now, let's see what the Hob calendar has to say. Today's date is 15 Wo. Wo is the month of building the spiritual and energetic framework of the new solar cycle. Day 15 marks deeper embodiment. It's the point where ideas and insights start settling into the body and daily life. Today brings centering, the harmonizing of internal systems, embodied understanding, and adjusting your inner structure. This is a day that your inner architecture is integrating the changes of the past few days, and you are stabilizing, spiritually, emotionally, and energetically. Now is the time to anchor yourself into your values, into your healing, and into your grounded truth. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. Today's combined energies create a field of gentle healing, balanced movement, and restored harmony. You are being guided to move slowly, act from a centered heart, and to choose grace rather than force. This is also a time to allow healing to unfold naturally. Manik teaches that true stability is spiritual and not external. Your steps forward do not need to be big, they only need to be conscious. Lastly, you're being encouraged to let today be a soft return to yourself. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars, but please first remember to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now here's the affirmation. I move with grace, heal with intention, and walk my path in balanced, gentle strength. Thank you all for your support.